our guy is pulling and giving it everything he's got, but man, you can see the fender of the trailer on the far right hand side, and this just drifted over, and it's got to be on the other side of the fender on the left now, and that's why he can't get it. He's trying to pull, and the bottom of his boat's literally hitting that fender. He's gonna have to pull this trailer out to kind of get his boat back over it. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here at Point Marina, and our guy finally looks like he's about to give it up. Realizes he's not gonna get very far with this, and like I said, at least I'm pretty sure that's what's going on here. Just when he was backing the trailer in, the boat just kind of slid out from underneath it and just slid on the other side of that fender. And now he's going to have to pull that trailer forward. Hopefully the boat doesn't get pulled forward when he does this, though. So he went the opposite path, put the trailer deeper, and that'll actually work as well, as now it should be able to float over that fender, which it looks like so. So our crew's coming in on approach. Cap's got somebody in the bow, getting the lines on the ready. We've got somebody at the stern, so a well-prepared crew, minus the fenders. So working their way toward the dock. Got to get over this bow rail. That always makes it for an interesting situation. Our guy's got one hand on the pole. And guy in the stern goes for the toss, misses with the first one, misses with the second toss, and third toss lands it. And our guy, he misses with his first toss up in the bow as well. And there we go, he finally got it there. But Cap had to step from the helm and come over and pull everything over. And our guy's gonna try and clear the bow rail. The struggle is real up front though. Down he goes! Oh man, he got so lucky there. Well, I shouldn't say that, he's still halfway on. There we go. For a moment I was like, man, is he gonna take a swim? But he winds up landing on the dock. But it was close. He was about 50-50 shot there, as he was only halfway on the dock, but he was able to roll himself back over to it. But close call by our guy here, and it looks like they've got it tied up, but everybody's all smiles and laughing about it now. All fun and games at the moment. Alright, so our guy whose boat had drifted over the trailer is back at it again. And this time, they've got it set up on the trailer, and it looks like he's going to go ahead and try for his first attempt on the pullout. They've been here for a little bit now, though. It's taken them a little while to get to this point. And here we go. And no, he's not gonna like this one either. He's just not set up on the trailer right, and they're gonna have to try this again. They've literally been at this for about 20 minutes now. There was some sort of struggle with the bow strap as well, but it's been a bit. So we repositioned it one more time, but they still don't like the way it's sitting on the trailer. So the driver's gotten out of the truck. I don't know where his friend went, though. He had somebody who was helping him, and he's kind of disappeared at this point. So our guy here, he's grabbing the lines. Gonna put him, so I'm assuming he's gonna try and back this thing back out himself. So it looks like he's gonna remove it from the trailer and try and set it up one more time. And gonna use the lines, just try and hold it when it comes off. That line's too tight. I don't think he gave enough slack on that front line. With it being that tight, the second the boat starts to float, it's just gonna smack into the dock. Or try and pull off funky, one of the two. When you're doing it like this, you've gotta leave plenty of slack, because the boat's gotta come back with the trailer and then still have enough slack to be able to float back off the trailer. And like I said, I don't believe you really left enough there. We'll find out now. Here we go. That line's got to be going tight right about now. And here we go. It's floating off, but yep, as you can see, it's going to drag right straight back into the dock. Just didn't quite leave enough slack. You can see the lady in the purple bathing suit kind of looking forward like, bro, like, yeah, this line's too tight. And even she's going to grab his line, it looks like, and try and help him out. So crew coming in on approach. We got 2 people ready on the lines. Once again, good help today down here. Nobody's using fenders again. So leaps off. And our young lady's going to step off, but the stern's going to kick in. I think Cap's got it in reverse. He definitely does. And the guy in the dock's like yelling at him like, bro, what are you doing? I wonder if Captain didn't know he had it in reverse, because that was just a strange spot to put it in. So he's going to go ahead and come wide now. At this point, bro, there you go. Kill it. You're done. Put the boat into neutral. Let the people with the lines handle the boat. And there we go. He even pulled the motors out. Was like, yeah, I'm done. Now, I don't know if I'd have done that because the stern's kicking in. His engines could hit the dock. She's going to try and kick it out before they get there. But it's probably one of the reasons I wouldn't do that early. And our crew's coming in on approach. Cap's trying to line it up. And that motor just died. So Cap's trying to get it restarted, but now they're just adrift. So his buddy comes out of the bow to mess with it. This guy's going to the back. Looks like he's messing with the bulb, trying to prime it for some fuel. And now we get the old just drift away down here at Black Point. Unless somebody wants to give him a hand. And this definitely isn't one of those spots like we aired a video not that long ago down at Boynton where somebody just jumped in and swam the boat over. Not sure that I would do that here. Our guy in the back looks defeated. Frustration has set in for sure. Now, it looks like, did they get it started again? It looks like there's water coming out, so I think we're going. And it looks like they're going to be good to go to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. We have the Drain Plug Mafia channel, the newest addition to the family, featuring Boneheaded Boaters of the Week, Googans of the Week, and Boating News of the Week over there. And then, of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.